children, welcome to the online classes. Today we are in page number 183. So what we are going to learn today? Measuring capacity. We have learned measuring of the weight, measuring of the length. Now we are going to learn measuring capacity. Means how much, like a cup can hold how much, a bottle can hold how much, or a jug or a glass or a tank, see a spoon, how much they can hold. That is called capacity. See, capacity is the amount of any liquid that a container can hold. It is of liquid, only the liquids. Capacity is the amount of any liquid, whether it is a water, tea, coffee, or cold drink or juice, anything. For example, the capacity of a petrol tank is the amount of petrol that the tank can hold, like 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liters. Okay, see this, tick the group that holds more. See, 2 water bottles or 3 cups. Which has more capacity? 2 water bottles. A jug can hold more, or a glass? A jug. A water tank or 2 jugs? A water tank can hold more. 3 spoons or 1 cup? 1 cup will hold more. Okay, capacity is measured in milliliters and liters. We can measure capacity in milliliters and liters. Milliliter, see, milliliter for small capacity, like a cup, spoon. Milliliter is used for measuring small capacities like that of a cup, spoon, etc. These are like for small capacity. Milliliter is written as ml. Okay, milliliter is shortly written as ml. Okay, then liter. Then we have liter. Liter is used for measuring large capacities like that of bottles, jugs, water tanks, etc. Water bottle, jug, water tanks are measured in liters, and liter in short it is written as L. So you have to remember that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter, or 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. We get measuring jars of different capacities with markings on them. We can read these markings to know the amount of liquid the jar is holding. See here, the jar has 250 ml of water. Here see, till 250 the water is filled, and here 300. The jar has 300 ml of water. Tick the container that has more capacity. 200 ml, 500 ml, 300 ml. Which is more? 500 ml is more. 300 ml, 1 liter, 2 liter. Which is more? 2 liter is more. Okay. Then go to next page. 600 ml, 100 ml, 250 ml. 600 ml is more. Read the scale carefully and write how much water is there in each jar. So see how much is there. It is still 200. Write the number here, 200 ml. This 350 ml, and this 500 ml. Addition and subtraction of the capacity. Addition and subtraction also we have to do in the same way how we did the other additions and subtractions. It is also in the same way. Let us do the exercise. We have to add ml first, milliliters, then we have to add liters. See, 5 plus 0, 4 liters, 615 milliliters, 2 liters, 250 milliliters. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 in the mind, 1 on a finger. After 5, 6. 6 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 6, 7, 8. 4 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 4, 5, 6. 6 liters, 865 milliliter. The rest all you have to do for your homework. Okay, children? Additions and subtractions you have to do in the same way. Let us do how much do you know. How will you measure the following? Tick the right box. Weight of an apple. Apple is weight in which? Is it a gram, milliliter or centimeter? It's a gram. This juice bottle, it's a milliliter. Pencil, it's a length. So you have to measure in centimeters. Height of a child. Height of a child will measure in the centimeter. Weight of a geometry box. Weight will measure in grams. Length of a telephone. Length will be measured in centimeters. Height of a glass. Height will measure in centimeter. Length will measure in meters. Weight of a coil of rope. Weight will measure in kgs. Okay. Then weight of a tie, gram. Length of a feather. Length will measure in centimeter. Weight of a marble. Weight, grams. Fill in the blanks. Length is measured in centimeter and meter. A bag of wheat is measured in bag. Bag will be very heavy. Yes. Then bag how will measure? In kgs. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. We measure capacity will measure in ml, milliliter and liter. 25 kgs plus 13 kgs. Add 25 plus 13. 5 plus 3. 5 in the mind, 3 on a finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 in the mind, 1 on a finger. After 2, 3. 38 kgs. Okay. Next 33 centimeter, 22 centimeter. 33, 22. 3 plus 2. 3 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 3, 4, 5. This also 5 only. So 55 centimeter. 19 ml minus 15 ml. This minus, these two are addition. This is subtraction. 9 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So 4 milliliter. Okay. Then this additions and subtractions you will be doing for your homework. All this do for your homework. Okay, children. Then next, some NCERT textbook questions. Match the pictures of the animal with the things it can carry. What they can carry? See, a crow, a bird. A bird can carry what? Can it carry a ball? Can it carry a sugar bag, logs or a leaf? It can carry only a leaf. Then an elephant. An elephant can carry heavy loads. So these all logs it can carry. A horse. A horse can carry a sugar bag. And a dog. A dog can carry a ball in its mouth. Okay. Ring the one which holds more. A bucket can hold more, or a jug. A bucket can hold more. A cup, a saucer. A cup can hold more. See which pots can hold more? This big pot will hold more. Okay. Then values and life skills. A shopkeeper gets 25 kg rice and 12 kg sugar to sell. What is the total weight of the two? Is it good to eat too much sugar? No. And 12 kgs. 12. First we will write rice. 25 kgs rice and 12 kg sugar. 5 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 5, 6, 7. 2 in the mind, 1 on a finger. After 2, 3. 37 kgs. Okay. Then next, turn the page. Dhruv has 500 ml water in his water bottle. He drinks 500 ml. He drinks 375 ml of it during the day. 375. How much water is left in the bottle now? So how much bottle left means you have to do subtraction. 500 minus 375. Can we subtract anything from 0? No. So what you have to do? Borrow. So borrow from the next number. So what is the next number? It is 0. So we can't take anything from the 0. So borrow from hundreds, that is 5. So borrow from hundreds to tens. This will become 10. But here we don't need anything. The next number we need. So again from this 5 will become 4, 10 will become 9, and this ones will become 10. So 10 minus 5. 5 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many? 5. 9. 9 minus 7. After 7, 8, 9. So how many? 2. 4 minus 3. After 3, 4. 1. 125 ml is left in the water bottle. How many glasses of water should we drink in a day? At least 8 to 10 glasses of water we need to drink. Drinking water is good for health, no? Scratch your brain. Measure the sides of these shapes using a ruler. Remember to keep the 0 marking on one end. The marking at the other end will be the length of the side. So you have to take a ruler and measure it. So take a ruler, measure A, B, B, C, C, D and write it here. Okay. Then tick the lighter side of the pan. Write the weight to be added to balance the pan. Tick the lighter side. Which is the lighter side? Which is up. Whichever side is heavier, it will go down. We have learnt, no? Whichever side is heavier, it will go down. So this is lighter. So here we have to take, and here it is 3 kgs and here it is 2 kgs. So how much we need to add here to make it balance? 2. For 2, how much we need to add to make it as 3? 1. After 2, 3. So 1 kg you need to add. Then here 4 liter 100 milliliter. Here we have only 2 liters. Okay. So here like this you do 4 liter 100 milliliter. Here we have only 2. And here 0, 0, 0. Minus. This is 100. 4 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4. How many? 2. So you need to add 2 liters 100 milliliter. Okay. Then 3 kgs 750 grams, 3 kgs 500 grams. So which is lighter? This one is lighter. And so 3 kgs 750 grams less 3 kgs 500 grams. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5 only. After 5, 6, 7, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. So 250 grams we have to add. 250 grams. 6 liter 50 milliliter. 5 liter 500 milliliter. Okay, which is lighter? This one is lighter. 6 liter 50 milliliter and 5 liter 500 milliliter. Okay. Then here 0. 5 minus 0 minus 0, 0 only. 5 minus 0, 5. From 0 you can't deduct 5. So borrow from here. This will become 10 and this will become 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So 550 milliliter you need to add. 550 milliliter. Okay. Then individual activities. So individual activities, what is there? To observe objects carefully and decide how to measure them easily. Things we need are scale, measuring tape and a pencil. Observe each object carefully and find whether it can be measured using a scale or a measuring tape or by both. Length of a duster. Length of a duster, how you can measure it? With the help of a scale. So you have to experience it. Length of a height of a blackboard, water bottle, a dice, rubrics, then tumbler, then bag, the zip of the bag. So all these things you have to collect, or various different things you can collect, and check whether you will be able to measure it with a scale or you need a measuring tape, and you have to write it. Okay children, so here you have to write the length of a duster, whether you need a scale or a measuring tape, or with both you can do, and you have to write it here. Okay, this is your work that you have to do for your homework. Okay, that's all for today. With this we have completed with the chapter 10. We'll meet in our next class with a new chapter. Have a good day.